In a neon temple, a talking teabag named Reverie presides over the sneeze shrine, where forks float and sneeze confetti. A ceremonial librarian wearing a sombrero alphabetizes giggles, while a clock keeps time by hiccuping Morse code. A rubber chicken monk hands out ceremonial cookies that taste like excuses and demands you confess a cartoonish fear of spoons. A window opens to reveal socks marching to kazoo tempo, then vanishes leaving glitter and a pun. As the ritual ends, Reverie whispers remember to question gravity and bow to the motto, eat the nonsense.